Hey everyone, it's Jill Powell here, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful rose gold glitter liner look. So for this look, we're gonna do a glitter liner on the top. You can use anything from a loose glitter, and I'll show you the tricks on how to do that, to an actual glitter liner that is a gel formula. So I didn't have a gel formula in my kit. I've thrown them all away because they go bad. So I will be purchasing more for holidays, but I'm gonna show you how to get a glitter liner look with a loose glitter and glue. So the glitter that we're gonna be using today is by Voss, and the color is Rosalind, is that what it says?
Yep.
Rosalind. It is this beautiful kind of copper rose gold glitter, and it has a holographic finish to it, so you're gonna see those purples, those blues. It's gonna be really, really pretty. I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
So we started off with just a natural look. She's got beautiful natural shadows on, some lashes, complexion, and this is just one quick thing that you can add to any look based on what you have in order to just add a hint of glitter. So I'm going to be using Duo, and I'm going to create a liner with Duo, and right on top of that, I'm going to place this loose glitter. Okay, step one, open the glitter. I did it. Step two, tap it up. Don't tap it too much. How about three? 3 taps is plenty of glitter. There we go. Maybe even 1 tap. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this. Don't spill the glitter. I'm so nervous. All right. What's great about this Duo is that it already comes in like a liquid liner form. Go ahead and look down for me. So I'm just going to take it and go right along her lash line where I would a liner. A little bit at a time because I want it to be nice and wet and not dry. I'm taking a tiny little brush, and it's almost like a liner brush. This is actually a lip brush. And I'm just tapping it into that glue. It's not only setting the glue, but it's also going to make it easy to remove because it's going to be all together. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. You're going to love this. Okay, so again, a little bit at a time. Bring that right along. Got a tiny bit on your lashes. Take that off. We are tapping it right along the glue. This is such a beautiful kind of coppery rose gold color. I am so impressed. Good job, Voss. And I really want to set the glue. You don't want anything sticky, so I'm really getting it a nice thick layer of glitter on top of that. Because if it's sticky, your lid is going to stick. You don't want that. Inner, really thin. More glitter. Tap, tap, tap. And you notice I'm just doing a pressing motion. I'm literally just pressing. I do not want to have the glitter spray anywhere at all. So I'm just doing a gentle, gentle press. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of a wing on the outside. Look straight for me, straight ahead. It's always like your client to look straight. You can find out where the wing should naturally go. So I'm going to start right here and just kind of bring it up a little bit, just for some fun. Look down. Tapping that glitter right on top of that glue again. This color of glitter is So beautiful.
I'm so excited to see it.
Holy cow. This might be a new favorite of mine. I'm going to do it a little bit thicker right in here. And you can, like I said, you can do this with any color. Gold, silver, purple, blue, emerald green, whatever you want for whatever holiday. You could do emerald green for Christmas. You could do silvers, golds, pretty much any color, whatever will go with your outfit. Let me see. And it just leaves this beautiful sparkle. Okay, I'm gonna do the inner corner of your eye. We have to be very careful with this. I'm gonna have you look all the way down and all the way out towards me. I don't wanna get any glitter in your tear duct, so I'm just going to go a little bit higher. And you wanna be really careful with the inner corner of the eye. I always use cosmetic grade glitter. So I'm just going to come in from the top and very gently press. Do not want any fallout. So I'm going to come right from the top and I'm just going to press that glitter right on the glue. Let me see. None fell in our eye. Success. Woohoo! All right, so time for the other eye. Again, duo. I like to start in the center, so look down. And we're just going to go right along those lash line. We're just going to go right along the lash line. Invert the brush upside down and press right along the glue. Invert and press. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Seriously, this is so pretty. You're gonna die.
I want to get this glitter.
Yes. It's like the perfect copper, but it's like rose gold at the same time. So you kind of get like
Pretty.
Orangey, but not too orange, and oh, love it. I'll do the inner. Go right along the lash line. We're gonna try and do that tear duct too. Get glitter on there. Invert that brush upside down. I'll try and hold it further away so you guys can see it in the light. Invert and press. One more. No fallout, please. No fallout. I think I did it. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and do that wing. So just look over towards me. And then, yeah, right there. I'm going to connect it up here. And then I'm just going to bring it slightly out. Give her a little wing. You can go as far out as you want. Just kind of doing it subtle. We already have glitter going on, so it's fun just to do a little bit extended. And we're just pressing that glitter. You'll want to remove the excess from your brush because you'll get a little bit of glue transfer. So remove that excess just with like a makeup wipe. Press, press, press. And then look all the way over this way. There you go. I'm just going to get this little wing. Oh my gosh, so fun. Okay, seriously, the holographic finish, having those colors in there really just makes it. This would be really pretty underneath the lashes as well. Definitely a must-have glitter. Yes. Woohoo. Not much glitter on my hands. I did good. You have a tiny bit of glitter fallout. Okay. So, glitter fallout, call your doctor. Scotch tape is your doctor on the glitter. All right. So we're just going to look up and we're just going to get any of those extra glitter droplets. A little bit more over here. Scotch tape is literally the one thing I have found that actually removes glitter. So, you know your boyfriend gets mad when you wear glitter because then he comes home and it's all over him. Boyfriend, husband, whatever. Scotch tape. This is super pretty. You can also finish this look out if you want with a little bit of like a black liner right along the bottom. I kind of like it the way it is. The other thing I may do just to enhance it is do just it along the outside to kind of give an edge. But I think it's really pretty. Do you want to see it?
Yes.
Okay, seriously?
Oh, I love it.
Isn't that color fun?
That is so pretty.
And then with your natural shadows, it's just like a easy, simple.
It looks really good. It's popping on my eyes so much.
Isn't that
but
color
it's still
amazing?
not crazy.
Yeah.
It's like my style perfectly.
You know, and I think anyone can wear this. That's what's great about it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm in my 30s, maybe close to my 40s. Who knows? I think I'm in my 20s. I would for sure wear this. This is actually one way that I wear glitter and I feel comfortable wearing glitter. I think my mom could rock it during the holidays. My mom may or may not be in her 60s. I don't know.
You'll never know.
But again, the color tone, so if you want it more subtle, go for like a chocolate brown glitter or something that's not gonna be too pop. This one has holographic finishes to it, so it really does pop. But the copper color, again, makes it really beautiful and natural. So choose what you want and do what you want and make it fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned some tips or tricks on how to create a glitter liner at home, especially if you don't have a glitter liner. Don't forget, use a glue and a tiny little brush and only use pressing motions so that you don't get fallout. And if you do get fallout, Scotch tape is your best friend. Thanks again for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see next. All of the products used in my video are also linked below. And if you want to see more, follow me anywhere at Joe Powell Glam. Thanks again.